Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to change Gmail email font size. So there are a few ways to do this, and I'm going to show you how. So open up your Gmail account and compose a message. So this is one way to change the font size. So you could write in your message and the two T's down the bottom. You can see this is where you can change the font size. So you've got options small, normal, large, and huge. So if I want to change it, I can click on huge. You can see like the writing is huge. But the thing is with this method, every message you do, you have to change the font size. So if you like a font size and you want it to stay the same every time, there's a way to do that. So you head up to the settings and then see all settings, then scroll down and you should see default text style. So from here, you can do the same thing, choose the text size that you like, and then scroll down and make sure you click Save Changes at the bottom. Now, every time you compose a message, your text will be large and you won't have to keep changing it every time. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.